Good morning, everybody. We are working in Lesson 1, Module 1 of the 4th grade. Congratulations, you got this far. Our first lesson for 4th grade in math, we're going to be working with place value. Place value is the most important thing you will need to know in 4th grade, okay? It is the most important. Just think of this place value chart, most important thing in 4th grade. So let's start. Here is our place value chart. It is above us, right here. Boom. All right. However, the place value chart does start with the ones, but I purposely made this place value chart incorrect. You need to reorganize this place value chart on your problem set and tell me how it's organized. So I want you to do this now. I want you to pause the video, organize this place value chart the way it should be organized, and then play the video and check your answer. All right, here is the correct place value chart. We have our ones place, okay? We have our tens place. We have our hundreds. We have our thousands. We have our 10,000s. We have our 100,000s. And we have finally our million. Now, what you need to know is that when we look at our place value chart, it is growing 10 times each time. So, from our ones to our hundreds, it is growing 10 times. From our hundreds, or from our tens to our hundreds, it's growing 10 times. From our hundreds to our thousands, it's growing 10 times, and so on, okay? So, knowing when we bundle, we're moving over to the left. When we multiply by 10, we're moving over to the next place value, 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 and so on, okay? Times 10. That's the place value chart. All right. So now that we have our place value chart organized, let's get into some problems. Let's get into our first problem set. I am going to be taking a picture so you can work beside me and with me during our problem set. So here we go. This first question, question 4, is going to be on page 3 of your problem set book. So go to page 3. We're starting off with Jane saved $800. I want you to use your place value chart, just like I'm doing with my own, to be able to solve this problem. Okay? Cool. So let's get into the problem. Jane saved $800. A lot of money. Her sister, though, her sister has 10 times as much money as Jane does. How much money does Jane's sister have? That's our main question that we're trying to answer. So Jane's sister has $800. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put lines in my place value chart. If it wasn't so crooked, there we go. I'm going to put lines in my place value chart so that I can bundle if I need to. Boom, nice. So she has $800. Okay, so I'm going to put Jane 800 in this place value chart. So 8 dots in the hundreds place. This represents 800. Awesome. That represents 800, correct. Nice. So now her sister is 10 times that much. So remember when I said when we do 10 times, we jump to the next place value chart. 10 times. All right? So I'm going to take these 8 dots. I'm going to bundle them and move them over to the next place value chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have, our answer is 8,000. Boom. That is our answer. It is pretty simple, not too bad. So, how did we do this? Well, 10 times 10 times as many as 800 is 800 or 8,000. So 10 times as 800, 10 times as, as many as 800 is 8,000. Or 800 times 10 equals 8,000. Perfect. That's our answer. So 10 times as many as 800 is 8,000, or 800 times 10 equals 8,000. So, perfect response, perfect answer. Now let's go further. Let's answer some more questions by using place value in order for us to solve and help us solve these problems, okay? Let's go to the next section. All right, here are our last couple problems that we're going to be working on. So we're going to be using the place value chart, like I said, to help us solve. So let me put my lines back in so I can tell where I am bundling if I need to. All right, let's look at this one. 2 times as much as 4. So when we have 2 times as much as 4, that means that we're going to have 4 ones in the ones place. So there we go. And this is not, we're not going to bundle here. This is a simple multiplication problem where you have 2 times 4. So that means that I'm going to make another row of 4. So now I have 2 rows, and 2 times 4 equals 8. So that is our answer here. Okay? So no bundling here. This is just a simple multiplication problem. However, on the next problem, 10 times as much as 4, that's going to be a little different. So let's do that. So we have 10 times as much as 4. So we have 4 ones here still. Let me erase that. Perfect. We have 4 ones here. And now I can bundle. So we're doing 10 times. 10 times. So I'm going to take these 4 ones and I'm going to bundle them. Boom. And they're going to go here now. So instead of 4 ones, I now have 40. I have 4 tens. Does that make sense? 4 tens. So 40. Okay? Perfect. Now, there's another way to do this bundling. I'm going to show you really quickly. We did the easy way. It's not too complicated, but I want to show you the other way in which we can bundle. We are still doing 4 ones times 10, and when we do that, I can do it like this as well. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is 40 ones. And to bundle, I would bundle each one, boom. Bundle each one, boom. Bundle each one. And that gives us 4 tens. Okay? Either which way, it's the same response, same answer that we will have. Okay? So it's up to you if you want to use the first time I did the bundling or the second time, which I did right now. It's up to you. All right, so we're going to stop right here. This is a really good experience for us. I don't want to overwhelm you with the first lesson and the first problem set. So this is, we're going to stop right here, and we will continue this in the next session, the next lesson. All right, have a fantastic day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's math.